Hey there, I'm fascinated by plants and their amazing abilities. One of the most interesting plants that I came across is a plant that gives out oxygen even at night. This plant is called a snake plant, which belongs to the plant family Araneae. These plants are known for their air-purifying properties, which makes them perfect for indoor spaces. They can help filter out toxins and pollutants from the air, releasing fresh oxygen even at night. The process by which this plant purifies the air is through the leaves. Each leaf has tiny air pockets that help circulate air. As the air passes through the leaf, it gets oxygenated, and when it comes out on the other side, it is already clean and ready to be breathed in. Interestingly, the snake plant is also an excellent choice for those who have allergies or asthma. Its leaves contain a compound called beta-damascenin, which has anti-inflammatory and anti-allergic properties. This makes it an ideal plant to have in your home or office to improve air quality and reduce symptoms of allergies. Snake plants are also low maintenance and easy to care for. They thrive in bright, indirect light, but will still grow well in low light conditions. Water them occasionally, allowing the soil to dry out between waterings. They can tolerate a variety of environmental conditions, making them a versatile and adaptable plant choice. In conclusion, the snake plant is a remarkable plant that can add a touch of greenery and purify the air in your space. Its unique ability to release oxygen even at night makes it an excellent addition to any indoor setting.